Hey guys, what's going on? Bcraig here with Bcraigtrades, and if you aren't subscribed already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that like button so this video can hit the algorithm. I can go ahead and get out there and spread this video out to the world. If you aren't already in our free main stock chat, go ahead and do that. The link is in the description. And I also do have a paid premium room with entries, exits, charts, support levels, resistance levels, and it kind of looks like this a little bit right here. And this is kind of frustrating because this is the second time I'm recording this video, because in the first video I said that horrible word that you can't say on YouTube because they will make your video disappear, but it has to do with what's going on in the world right now. But anyways guys, so I'm here to talk about this NKLA trade that I had. Let me go to it. Here are some of my trades from today. 1900 in NKLA. I lost money in SPY, $532, and I made about $1,200 in Tesla. NKLA trade is pretty easy, you know. We had the CEO leave kind of out of nowhere. The kitchen got hot, he left. I was seeing a report saying they have no intellectual data at all. It was basically all a hype, essentially, you know. So I can imagine, I mean, I guess maybe this company would keep going down to be a penny stock and eventually just get delisted and be like a blue chip type stock or something. But I can't see this company making any big moves unless they go ahead and it would just take too much, honestly, you know, to go ahead and get some definite plans on about building a vehicle, getting a new CEO in there, kind of change the whole thing around. So somebody else's fraud and misfortune is something that I can profit off of. So once the CEO, I saw the CEO had left and NKLA news had came out, I was actually in some NKLA puts from yesterday, and I think yesterday I was up about $500 when I last checked it. But you know, over after markets and pre-markets this morning, it was going down more. I think it was down under $2 or so, about 15-20% or something like that. And my position was back at $1,900. So I was able to sell out of that. But once I sold out of that, I noticed that NKLA still has some puts coming in flow on BlackBox stocks. So I actually alerted the trade, and some traders are actually able to make about 40% on their investment on return on those put option contracts. So that was nice. I was able to alert the Discord members to that. SPY, I lost some money on SPY. SPY was actually bouncing really hard off that 322 level. You know, it happens. You just gotta remember to cut your losses pretty short. This one I took a little out there because I really thought it was going to go down, but it didn't. And you know, it kind of sucks to lose money, but it's okay. And then Tesla, I saw a whole bunch of flow kind of coming into it. It kind of reversed its trend. It was finally heading up, so that's why I went ahead and jumped in those Tesla calls. I was able to make just about $1,100. So a pretty good day so far. Had some good alerts. Lost some money there, but you know, you're not gonna nail every single trade every single time. So I'm not too worried about that. But the NKLA trade I wanted to touch base on a little bit more, because this is kind of what I preach on how I trade. I am a scalper, so I'll just go ahead, you know, get in and out of trades. I'm seeing momentum in the trades, news or flow. That's how I trade in and out of stocks within hours. Sometimes, you know, it could take a couple hours, or I might swing something, you know, just like I did with the NKLA puts. But a side note, it's kind of hard to swing right now in this market because the market has a lot of uncertainty. This is where I messed up in my last video because I said a horrible word. But with everything going on in the world, and there's new cases popping up in the UK and kind of spooked the market, no stimulus has spooked the market, and we have an election. So the market's going to be trading kind of crazy up until after that, and once it finds some certain levels and stability in the market. But yeah, so you know, NKLA was just momentum trading, news trading with bad news. It had momentum going down to the downside. A lot of investors pulling out money, people are shorting stocks, so I was able to profit off of that. And yeah, so that's the NKLA trade. This is the Discord group right here. I usually try to post on my trades at the end of the day. It's the profits and losses, and to show you guys what I'm trading. This is actually a really big day. I normally don't have too many days like this, just because I swung that NKLA trade for one, and then two, I don't gamble. I'm gonna say gamble. I don't invest that much money in my trades. Usually a couple $100 a day, but today was a big day. You know, sometimes you have days like today once you're in the market. But if you are down in the market right now, today, this week, whatever, just know that these markets are pretty choppy. You know, it's not the easiest market to trade in. But yeah, so that's about it for that. If you do want to join the Discord room, the link, like I said earlier, is in the description. I do have a free group. You guys can go ahead and join there. I do piss on alerts in there. I talk to the guys in there. I'll also have a premium group. That's where we go ahead and chart out different stocks, support, resistance, trend lines, channels, entries and exits, and just talk about different things in there, kind of coaching the guys through trading. But I think that's about it. My game plan for tomorrow. Tomorrow's Lotto Friday, you know, so some pretty cheap contracts. Market likes to end the week on a positive, so let's see if we can. I really didn't like the market into the close. Kind of shows some weakness. I really thought the market was going to close a little higher than that, but it shows some weakness. So maybe we might open up red tomorrow and push to the green, or we could see, you know, a drop off tomorrow in the stock market. Not too sure yet. I do have a couple names I'm looking at. I feel like everything is really trading in the lows right now. But yeah, so I think that is about it for the video, guys. Make sure you go ahead and please like, hit that thumbs up my video for me, subscribe to the channel, and go ahead and join the Discord group. Come and trade with us. We're all pretty friendly. Just a couple guys, a couple hundred guys now and girls trying to make some money in the market. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching.